In this video, we are reviewing how to solve a system of equations using the equal values method. So remember that a system of equations is just two or more equations. So this problem says to rent a jet ski at Sam's costs $25 plus $3 per hour. At Claire's, it costs $5 plus $8 per hour. And how many hours will the rental cost at both shops be equal? So first, let me write my equations. So for Sam's, I have y equals. So it looks like my starting amount is 25. And then my growth is $3. So my equation is 3x plus 25. And then for Claire's, her starting is 5, and then her growth is 8. So that'd be 8x plus 5. If you need help writing the equations, you can go watch the video that teaches you how to do that. So now that I have my two equations, the question is, at how many hours will the rental costs at both shops be equal? So I'm going to use the equal values method, which just says if we want to know when they're equal and we want to find the point of intersection, let's just set them equal to each other. So I have 3x plus 25 equals 8x plus 5. And now I'm just going to use don't call me after midnight to solve for x. So I'm going to move the smaller coefficient or smaller variable to the other side. 8x minus 3x is 5x, and then plus 5. Next, I want to move all the units to the same side. So I want to move the positive 5 to the other side. Remember, if you need help solving for x, you can watch the Don't Call Me After Midnight videos. And then at the end, this is 5 times x. So the opposite is dividing by 5. So x equals 4. And remember, this 4 is telling us that after 4 hours, that's when the jet ski companies would be the same price. But we have to find our total point of intersection, so I have to also find out what the y value is, or what the actual cost is going to be. So I can choose to plug in x into this equation, or I can plug it into this equation, and I'm going to get the same answer either way. So maybe I'll plug it into the first one. So I have 3, and instead of x, I'll plug in 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 25 is 37. So now I know that after 4 hours, both companies will cost $37. So now for my point of intersection, that's going to be where the two lines intersect. So if I was to graph them, it's where the two lines would cross. So here my point of intersection is 4, 37, because I got x equals 4 over here, and I got y equals 37 over here. So then my point of intersection is 4, 37. So again, with the equal value method, you're just taking both equations and saying them equal to each other, and then you solve for the first variable, and then after you solve for the second variable.